Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to give discounts in QuickBooks. First, we'll cover setting up discount items. Then, I'll show you how to apply these discounts to your sales forms, like invoices and sales receipts. We'll explore both percentage-based and fixed-amount discounts, ensuring you can easily manage price reductions for your customers. This guide will make the process straightforward and efficient for your business operations. To create a discount item, start by going to your list's menu and selecting Item List. From there, click the Item drop-down and choose New. In the Type field, select Discount. You'll then need to link this discount item to an income account, typically a discounts given or sales discounts account, to track these reductions properly. This setup ensures accurate financial reporting.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. On another note, after a long day of managing discounts in QuickBooks, who wants to clean? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making life so much easier. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Once your discount item is set up, applying it is simple. Open the invoice or sales receipt you're working on. In the Line Item section, add your newly created discount item. You can then enter the discount as a negative amount, for example, negative $25, or as a percentage, like 10% off. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the adjusted total for your customer. Beyond creating a specific discount item, QuickBooks offers other ways to apply reductions. You can directly adjust the unit price of an item on an invoice to reflect a discount. Alternatively, you might use a subtotal item to group several items together, then apply a single discount to that subtotal. This flexibility allows you to choose the best method for each unique sales situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.